Commercial banks. Commercial banks constitute the most predominant source. These banks provide services such as accepting deposits, making business loans, and offering basic loans, etc. It plays significant role in corporate financing in India, that is, to provide financial service to the public and business, ensuring economic and social stability and sustainable growth of the economy. Commercial banks also play an important role in providing short-term finance.
A commercial bank is a financial institution which performs the function of accepting deposits from the general public and giving loans for investment with the aim of earning profit. In fact, commercial banks, as their name suggests, act profit-seeking institutions, that is, they do banking business to earn profit. Commercial banks assist corporate enterprises by granting term loan to companies, by subscribing to shares and debentures of companies, by underwriting the issue of securities of the company. Schemes of commercial banks. Point 1. Overdraft. A company having current account with bank is allowed overdraft facility. The borrower can withdraw funds as and when needed. He is allowed to overdraw on his current account up to the limit which is sanctioned by bank. Overdraft. Overdraft is a financial instrument in which the money can still be withdrawn from the current or saving account, even if the account balance goes below zero. It is a type of extension of monetary limit offered by banks, and that money is said to be overdrawn. Point 2. Cash credit. It is also an important and popular form of financial aid. This form of credit is operated in same manner as overdraft facility. The borrower can withdraw amount from his cash credit account up to a stipulated limit based on security margin. Cash credit. Cash credit is a short-term source of financing for a company. In other words, a cash credit is a short-term loan. It enables a company to withdraw money from a bank account without keeping a credit balance. The account is limited to only borrowing up to the borrowing limit. Point 3. Cash loans. Under this, the total amount of loan is credited by bank to the borrower's account. Interest is payable on actual balance outstanding. Cash loan. Cash loan is when you receive money from bank or financial institution in exchange of future repayment for the principal plus interest. Point 4. Discounting bills of exchange. This is nothing but selling the bills to the bank. The bank gives money to drawer less than the face value of the bill. Thus, bill of exchange are trade bills. They are accepted by bank and cash is advanced against them. Discounting bills of exchange. Discounting means the process of converting bills into money at an earlier date than date mentioned in the bills of exchange. It is done if the receiver needs money urgently or before the maturity period.